where do you think you're going? Are you driving? Huh? Oh, Zeppelin. Rebecca took my car to work today and left hers for me. I need to take a break from work. Her car is filthy from all the snow and the salt and everything on the road. So Zeppelin and I are taking it to the car wash. Zeppelin's the one that gets to come with because she has been so good ever since we got the little foster puppies, and she either sits outside and is really calm and good, or she sits in our bedroom and is really calm and good. She doesn't really get to be out because she doesn't like the puppies very much. So I'm taking her on extra walks and taking her on this, and hopefully that helps make up for being locked up all the time.
Dog is so pretty.
Thank you.
What kind of
She's a healer mutt.
Oh, she is?
Yeah.
Oh, how sweet. I had bought dog treats. I wish I brought them today because I was going to give them to every dog I see.
Let's see.
If they're
Oh, I'd be okay with it. Let's do this one.
Is she okay in the car wash?
We'll see. She hates it. I didn't know she'd be so scared of it. She's a tough girl. Zeppelin, come here. Come on. Come on. Zeppelin, come. Come on. There, Pepin. It's okay. It's a car wash. Yeah. Pepin. Zeppelin, come here. Zeppelin, what did you think of the car wash? Okay, Zeppelin, final review of the car wash. Zeppelin, what do you think of the car wash? 1 ear up, 2 ear up? Two ears up? All right, and a tail wag. She kinda is happy. Now, I don't know if she really feels grateful that she got to go to the car wash because she's been being so good lately, but she'll probably be happier to go back in the bedroom after that experience. Uh-oh, it's the neighbors. Get 'em. Ah, she got me. What is this? Good girl. I think that'll just about do it for a video for today. But before we go, let's see how I'm doing on the husband score today. So for starters, I picked up like 4 puppy poops today, and I watched these little critters all day. That's gotta be worth 20 points. But then also I've cleaned up like 20 puppy peas, which are worth 0.1 points each. And then I brought Zeppelin on a special trip, which is worth 5 points. And then I get extra 10 points for surprising my wife and getting her car washed when she didn't know I was going to. But then I lose 2 points because they had vacuums and I didn't use the vacuums to vacuum out her car. But in all fairness, that's because Zeppelin was terrified of the car wash at that point, so I think plus another point for looking out for Zeppelin. Now, I'm sure I did something else today. And then for bonus points later, I'm gonna make dinner, and that should get me up to... That's gotta be pretty close to a perfect 52 out of 63 for the day. Yup, 52 points for the day. B+, I'm happy. I'm a husband score champion. Now I gotta get back to work. Thanks y'all for watching. I will see you later. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you again in a couple days. Bye.